How to fix Yahoo Mail too many sign-in attempts error. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Yahoo Mail's too many sign-in attempts errors. Start by clicking Not You on the sign-in page. Then enter your Yahoo ID and password, then click Sign In. If that doesn't resolve the issue, try the following steps. First, clear your browser's cookies. After that, quit and restart your browser. Next, use a different supported web browser. Then try signing in from a different sign-in page, such as the primary Yahoo sign-in page or the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. If you still cannot sign in after trying these steps and you cannot use the sign-in helper because your recovery information is incorrect or inaccessible, you may not be able to regain access to your account. In this case, you may need to create a new Yahoo account and ensure that you keep the recovery information up to date.